Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to cut or trim the audio in Audacity. So for this, what you need to do is turn on your Audacity from your start button. If you click on the start button, then you have to search for the Audacity, and after you click on the Audacity, you will get the app and you have to simply click on it. And after you click on it, you have to click on the file option, then you have to click on the import option, and you have to choose the audio option from here. Once you click on it, you will get all the options that you have in your device, all the audio application, the audio file that you have in your device will show that. You can simply click on it and simply import it to the project file. And after that, you have to click the selection tool from here. Then you can simply select that file by clicking on the left hand side key of your mouse. For example, I would like to mitigate this part of the audio. Then you have to simply select this by clicking on the left side key of that mouse, and then you have to simply click on the backspace. After that, it will simply delete that part. Or you can also choose the delete button from to delete that part of that audio. Also, you can choose the middle version from here, and if you click on delete, you will simply delete that part. Also, you can delete or trim the last part option. You have to just simply choose that part and simply click on backspace or delete. So it is that much easy, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video.